Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: artificial intelligence and its impact on creative work. Is AI the end of human creativity as we know it, or is it the start of a brand new renaissance? Let's break it down. For years, we've seen AI tackle logical, data-driven tasks. But now, it's stepping into the world of art, music, writing, and design. We have AI that can generate stunning images from a simple text prompt, compose music in any style you can imagine, and even write articles, poems, and scripts. It's pretty mind-blowing, and frankly, a little intimidating for those of us who make a living from our creative skills. The initial reaction for many artists and creators has been fear. Will I be replaced by an algorithm? Is my craft, something I've spent years honing, now obsolete? These are valid questions, and it's easy to see why the anxiety is there. When you see an AI create a beautiful piece of art in seconds that would have taken a human artist hours, or even days, it's natural to feel a sense of unease. But let's flip the script for a moment and look at this from a different angle. Instead of seeing AI as a replacement, what if we see it as a collaborator? Think about the history of technology and art. The invention of the camera didn't kill painting. It freed painters from the need to create purely realistic depictions and pushed them towards new movements like Impressionism and Cubism. Digital software like Photoshop didn't replace graphic designers. It gave them an incredibly powerful new set of tools to bring their visions to life. Every major technological shift has been met with skepticism. But ultimately, artists have always found ways to adopt and adapt these new tools, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. AI could be the next major tool in our creative toolkit. So, how can we actually use AI as a creative partner? Well, for starters, it's an incredible tool for brainstorming and overcoming creative blocks. Let's say you're a writer stuck on a story idea. You can feed a basic premise to an AI and ask it to generate dozens of plot twists, character concepts, or dialogue snippets. Most of them might not be perfect, but they can spark that one brilliant idea you were missing. For a visual artist, AI can generate countless mood boards, color palettes, or composition studies in minutes, saving a massive amount of time in the initial conceptual phase. It acts as an tireless, infinitely patient assistant that can help you explore directions you might never have considered on your own. It's about using AI to augment our own abilities, not to replace them. Furthermore, AI is democratizing creativity in a way we've never seen before. Someone might have a fantastic vision for a graphic novel, but lacks the drawing skills to execute it. With AI image generators, they can now bring those characters and worlds to life. A musician might hear a full orchestra in their head, but can't afford to hire one. AI music tools can help them compose and arrange complex pieces. This opens up creative expression to a much wider audience, allowing more people to tell their stories and share their visions. It's not about devaluing the skill of the professional artist, but about lowering the barrier to entry for creative expression itself. This could lead to an explosion of new and diverse forms of art from voices we might not have heard from otherwise. Of course, this brave new world isn't without its challenges. There are huge ethical and legal questions we need to address. How do we handle copyright for AI-generated art? How do we ensure that the AI models, which are trained on vast datasets of existing human-created work, aren't just stealing styles and ideas without credit or compensation? These are complex issues that artists, developers, and lawmakers are wrestling with right now. It's crucial that we establish fair guidelines that protect human creators while still allowing for innovation. We need transparency in how these models are trained and used, and a clear framework for attribution and compensation. This conversation is absolutely vital to ensure that AI evolves as a tool that supports the creative ecosystem, rather than undermining it. Another important point is that AI, in its current form, lacks true understanding, intent, and life experience. It can replicate styles and combine elements based on the data it's been trained on, but it can't create from a place of genuine emotion or personal perspective. It doesn't have a childhood. It's never felt heartbreak. It's never stood in awe of a sunset. The why behind art, the story, the emotion, the human connection is still our domain. An AI can generate a technically perfect image of a sad face, but a human artist can paint a portrait that conveys the specific, nuanced story of that sadness in a way that resonates deeply with another human being. Our unique experiences and our ability to embed meaning and narrative into our work remain our greatest strengths. The soul of the art still comes from the artist. So, where do we go from here? The key is adaptation and embracing a new role. The creative professionals of the future may be less about pure manual execution and more about being a creative director. Your job will be to have the vision, the taste, and the storytelling ability. You'll be the one guiding the AI, curating its outputs and refining them with your own unique touch to create a final piece that is truly yours. It is about shifting from being a lone craftsman to being a conductor of an orchestra of powerful new tools. The most successful creators will be the ones who learn how to collaborate with AI effectively, using it to speed up their workflow, break through creative barriers, and achieve a level of complexity and polish that was previously out of reach. In conclusion, AI isn't the death of creativity. It's a disruption, for sure, and it's going to change creative industries in profound ways. There will be challenges, and some roles will evolve or disappear. But it's also a once-in-a-generation opportunity. It's a tool that can amplify our imagination, help us work faster and smarter, and open up new creative frontiers. The future of creative work isn't a battle of human versus machine. It's a partnership. Our human-centric skills, our tastes, our storytelling, our emotional intelligence, and our unique perspectives are more valuable than ever. The future belongs to those who can blend human creativity with artificial intelligence. What are your thoughts on this? Are you excited or worried about AI's role in your creative field? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.